High reception. Today we're going to be focusing on the sound T. Are you ready? T. T, t, t. T, 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 t. T, t, t. T, t, t. T, 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 t. Brilliant. E, t, r, e, tree, t, 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 tree, t, hour, t, hour, tower, t, 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 tower. Brilliant. Oh, he looks funny. Eeth, t, eeth, t, 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 teeth, t, 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 teeth. Brilliant. T, r, ain, t, r, ain. Train, t, 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 train. Let's do them quicker. Are you ready? And mix them all up. Call out what you see. Train. Tower. Teeth. Tree. Ready? One more go. Tower, t, 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 teeth, t, 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 tree, t, 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 train. Fantastic. Now, I've drawn a t, 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 tower. Look, I tried to make them the same. T, 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 tower. Tower, t, tower, t. Down the tower, across the tower. Tower, t, tower, t. Ready? I'm going to hide them. Say what you see. T. Now we're going to do some super sound spotting. I'm going to put my T inside my other cards. Are you ready? Z, N, G, D, Y, Ng. Thing on a string. Ng. Qu, qu, queen. F, I think you stink. That one. We like that one. There it is! Did you spot it? I heard you shout tower. Let's have another go. Are you ready? I got my I'm gonna pop it in. Ready? Brilliant. Dinosaur. Good. O. K. K. A. O. E. R. J. V. W. W. Worm. Ch. Ch. Chew. T. You got it. I heard you. Brilliant. T. 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 Well done. Right, now we're going to do some writing of our letter T. 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 So make sure you've got a pencil and pen, or a whiteboard and pen if you have one. Are you ready? We're going to go down the tower and across the tower. Notice I always go across the tower in that direction. Okay? Down the tower, across the tower, 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 and one more. Down the tower, across the tower. Well done, really good effort. High reception. Now I want you to try and write for me, without seeing my example, the word mat. Mat. So there's 3 sounds. At, mat. So the first sound you need to try and write is a, t. Press pause and have a go. Now the next word I want you to try and write is tap. Tap. Again, 3 letters, 3 sounds. T, ap, t, ap, tap, t, ap, tap. Pause the video again and have another go. I will wait. And the last word I want you to try and write is top. Top. I'm wearing a black top and a grey top. Top. Are you ready? 3 sounds again in our word. T, op, t, op, top, t, op, top. Have a go and see if you can write top. And then when you come back, having paused the video, I will go through how to do them. Right, well done for having a go at doing that yourself using your sounds. I'm going to show you. So our first word was mat. So we knew we had 1, 2, 3 sounds. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3 letters in this particular word. Mat. Down, Maisie, and mountain, mountain, Maisie, mountain, mountain, round the apple, up and down the leaf, What's on the end of mat? Thank you. Mat. So a tower, isn't it? down the tower, across the tower. Did you get it right? Well done. Now our next word is tap. Tap. T, a, p, tap. T, t, t. We did that today, didn't we? T, t. Down the tower, across the tower. T, t, t. A, t, a, 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 a. That's my apple, isn't it? A, apple, t, a. Round the apple, up and down the leaf. And then I've got my p, p, p. I always find p, p, p a bit tricky. I've got it here. Here's my pirate. And remember, we go down the plait and over the pirate's face. I'm going to have a go at writing that. Down the plait and over the pirate's face. Tap, tap. Well done if you got that. And this time our last word is top. Top. T, op, t, op. Are we ready? So we've got down the tower, across the tower. T, t, op, t, op, t, op, o, 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 o. All around the orange. T, o, o, t, o. And then I'm back to my p, p sound, my p, p, pirate, where we went down the plait and back up around his face. Top. Well done if you managed to do that. Phonics wouldn't be the same without a visit from Fred, would it? And he's been a very good boy today. He's actually sat and listened really well, and he's very, very impressed with how you did in your phonics. So well done. Now, we're going to try and do some Fred talk. Are you ready? Shout out as soon as you know the word. D, a, d, d, a, d, d, a, d, d, a, d. Dad. You got it. I heard you. Brilliant. Are you ready for the next one? Listen really carefully to Fred. D, id, d, id, d, id, d, id, d, id, d, id. Did you get it? I think you did. Oh, I said it twice. Did you get it? I think you did. Yeah. Next one, are you ready? It is D, O, O, D, O, O, D, O, O, D, O, D, O, D, O. Doll. Doll. Well done if you got it. And last but not least, D-ig. 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 They did that quick, didn't they, Fred? Dig. Fantastic. You've done so well with your phonics today. Fred and I, we're going to go now. But well done. Really, really impressed with how hard you're working.